I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to make... So close. This slingshot that I can't hit anything with. Let's check it out.
Shut up! God! You hear that? Those are guinea hens. That's what's making that sound. I've taken this piece of maple and I've drawn the shape of the slingshot on here. I've seen some like this that have shorter prongs, and I like that style. Right now we got to cut this out, and it's that 3/4 inch hardwood is really kind of hard for my bandsaw to go through. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to use my jigsaw to rough cut this out. Get out of there. Yeah, I think I'm going to take this last little nub out on the bandsaw. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to inlay this piece of Paduke, and my first thought, I'm going to see if I could cut this inside section out and slide it in there, but I don't know yet. I don't know if that's going to work, but... I'm going to have to think on this. So I couldn't cut out that middle section just on the bandsaw. Well, I did do it just on the bandsaw, but I couldn't just cut it out on its own right. So I ended up cutting off the front of the slingshot and then gluing in that piece of Paduke and then gluing back the front of the slingshot. So when that's dry, it'll mostly be a lot of just shaping and sanding. My God, it is so cold today. I don't know if you see that on camera, but I can see my own breath. I let this sit for several days. I just wasn't able to get back to it. And it is nice and glued up and ready to be sanded. You gotta shape your wood. I'm only going to route up to the prongs, just on the handle. You needn't even guess what I'm going to finish it with. And we'll just have to attach the shooty part. Because I got these really thick rubber bands from my job, and I've gotten some twine, and I just laid them on each prong and wrapped that around it really tight, which is proving to be unsuccessful because trying to shoot for my intro, you can see it's knocking the twine loose. That's what I've done for now. I cut out this just little piece of leather for the slingshot pouch. Eventually I'm gonna get like a tourniquet, like a rubber tourniquet from a medical supply store, and use that instead because it's much wider and it's real thin, but it's super stretchy and really strong. This will have to work for now. So this slingshot is done. I'm not 100% happy with it. I really like the way it looks, the way the wood part came out. It's just I can't find a good way of attaching the string to it. See, look there, it came off entirely. When I was a boy, I made, one of the tree limb slingshots, and that's how I did it, was wrapping twine around it like that, and it always seemed to work. So I don't know if it's because this is so smooth, it's on a tree branch and kind of tapered. I'm gonna keep working on this is horrible. Not a fail, because I'm gonna improve the whole shooting system but this part wasn't a fail. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to Means Woodshop. I have new woodworking videos every single Friday, and I post a follow-up video to that project every Wednesday following that project. I'll catch you guys later.